Please watch our next video. Thank you.
57.
Oh, really?
Except for the one on the far end is more the straight down at 150, and then his is the Bel Air. So his has more bonus.
Yeah.
No, he said that they're both.
Hello, how you doing? This is Reggie. I'm Reggie. My shop is called Bass Headz Customs. This is my 2006 Chrysler 300 that I fully customized, and I would like to show it to you. First of all, we have 24-inch wheels, custom. We have the custom airbrush paint job on it. Of course, the Hot Wheels logo.
Now, is that paint or is that a wrap?
This is paint. Everything is paint.
That is nice. That's nice.
Okay. We also have multiple TVs in the vehicle. That's a TV in there. Also put Lamborghini doors as well. Okay. 90-degree universal.
That is so cool. That is so cool.
And we have TVs on the side of the dash as well as on the floor.
When you say the side of the dash,
Right.
right there?
That's
Wow.
a TV.
Wow.
That's a TV.
Wow, really?
That
Really?
TV rear view visor.
Uh-huh.
Visors.
Wow. Wow, that's amazing. That is amazing. That's incredible. And so here's
Yes.
the mechanism
And-
for the how the doors work.
And the rear Lamborghini doors as well.
And our award. So 5 minutes.
The airbrush was done in 2 days.
Was it?
Yes.
Now, who did the airbrush?
I have an airbrush artist. It's called LG Graphics. Also have TVs in the back wheel as well,
Oh, wow.
7-inch. Yes, and all the vinyl is light reflective, so at night it glows.
Really well.
Yeah.
How do you get the TV to still work with all that heat and vibration?
It's encased. It's waterproof, encased in plexiglass.
Wow, wow.
And also did the hood under the hood as well.
And I'm going to just take
Okay.
a quick peek here.
Okay.
We got the TVs.
Also have
set right there.
headrest TVs as well.
And so for all that power.
Yes, I have three batteries.
Wow.
Yep.
And so one battery goes to the engine.
All of them go to the same engine and electronics as well. Yeah.
Okay.
And custom exhaust on the.
That is so cool. That is so cool. Anything?
Yes.
So
The trunk is also done. It's not finished yet. Trunk is not finished yet. It should be finished in a couple weeks.
that is nice. That is nice. A lot of work. A lot of work. A lot of work.
Okay.
Now that Hot Wheels Car Club is
That is my car club. Yes.
Okay, that's neat.
I originated it 3 years ago.
Cool. Cool. Can you get a side shot right over here?
Okay. Yes, and everything is hand painted, freehand.
Wow.
Been working on the car for at least 10 years now. Been in business for 3 years. Been installing for 28 years.
Wow.
Yes.
So it's more than your hobby.
Yes.
So now I have to ask. I see something up front. I see something.
That's a 24-inch LCD TV.
There you go. Now, do you
Yes.
play that thing while you're driving?
Yes, I do.
That is so cool.
And the fog lights are custom as well. They glow 300 at night. They light up 300 at night.
Wow. Wow. That's incredible.
And under the hood, it's all custom as well, all airbrushing. Custom intake.
I can see a TV going right there.
Yeah.
I can see a TV going right there.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep. That's about it.
This is Sparta. That is Sparta. There you you go. That is so cool. And so what is the, is that a 2.7 liter? Really?
This is a 2.7.
Okay.
But it's been customized. I
Right,
did
right.
the exhaust. As you can see, the intake has a second stage jet chip in it as well.
So people that want to reach out to you to get work like this done, where are you at? How do they contact you?
You can contact me at 708-248-7153, and the shop is located in Glenwood, Illinois. The address is 3149 Glenwood Dyer Road.